Thank you, Damodaran. I'm so sorry, as we insurance professionals are not that adequately, upgraded with handling the digital, those kind of Zoom and all, it's a new trend. Okay, good morning, dear friends. This is Rajesh Satoskar, your life insurance agent. Today I've got an opportunity. I have to express my gratitude. First, most important is for Mr. Ajay Arora. This gentleman, Ajay Arora, who gave you the best of the presentation. In 1990, when I was a part-time agent, and my development officer, Satish Manjure, told me that you have to join as a full-time insurance agent and take this profession as an entrepreneur. And he asked me to just get out of the job, which is just paying me 2,300 salary. And I was struggling in a small 10 by 20 room, like small old chawl in Mumbai. And I was struggling financially and doing everything I was doing. And those days, I just heard of Datacom. It is in 1990 December when Mr. Joe of Datacom has come to my old building where there was no place to keep the computer. I have taken loan from the bank, and the software which was there, the only software of insurance industry. And you cannot believe, since then the journey started till today. I'm blessed by Mr. Ajay Arora and his team and the Datacom's all the hard efforts. I just tell you one thing before I start my talk with you. Without Datacom's, the software, we would have not done any business in last 31 years. One gentleman who starts the business and with all the commitments, even today is in front of me after 31 years. That's the real services. That's the real concern, that the passion for his business. And I can tell you, he's not doing this for commercial benefits. He has a passion to work for us. Without Datacom, I give all my success story, whatever 17 top of the tables and all, everything, what achievements I've done, what business I've done, the best of the presentations and the big, whatever I've done is all just because of Datacom, and Datacom. When I've started my profession, it was not that easy. In those days, the insurance was not popular. People were not aware of anything. People were refusing life insurance. You see, our company name is Life Insurance, but what exactly we do? This is not a life insurance company. It should have been a death insurance company, because we talk of death. Very difficult subject to explain people. But the scenario is different today. You don't need to explain people what is the death. Everywhere we are sitting at home all the time, small kid to an old man, we have a fear in our mind. Yes, the death, unfortunate death can come to us. There are so many businesses people are doing. A lot of businesses flourished, everything, but they are all in a tremendous pressure because of the lockdown, and the economy is affecting. Everybody is going to affect. But let me tell you very frankly, dear, I'm very fortunate. So God's bless. Like last 31 years, I'm in life insurance profession. Even 25 years back, when I've sold somebody a policy, today also I'm getting some renewal commission. Thanks to all those customers who have all the trust on me. It's a journey. But today I'm not scared, and I'm not at all scared. You can, of course, let me tell you, because of this beauty of the profession, whatever hard work, smart work we have done in the last 20, 25 years, 30 years, today I'm enjoying the benefit. I'm not scared. Okay, yes, obviously, the current business which we were supposed to do in the month of March and April and May, yes, it is gone. It is not there because we cannot reach our customer. Customer is not in a mind frame of dealing. There are a lot of bottlenecks in the procedures and follow-up of the insurance product which we normally do, the completions. office is not working, LIC office is not working. I understand your problem. I'm not here to repeat the problem. Everybody, we know the problem. The only thing what satisfaction I have, that today my subject, my topic, insurance, was not on the priority of the most of the investors and most of the customers. Everything was on the priority, but the insurance was not on the priority. Today they understood, they realized, they are in tremendous worry for their family welfare, I mean the health and everything. Blessing and disguise, yes. When the everything will open up. My industry is the only industry. People talk of pharma, everything will run. If they fall sick, definitely they will take the medicine. But when they are fit, they are healthy, that time they have to think of my product first, and they have realized. Let me tell you, all the customers, all our policy holders, small and big, they are very intellectual. Let me tell you, otherwise they are not our customer. They had money, they earn money for their family. They are very intelligent. At the same time, people who buy insurance from us, one thing you mind, I'm telling you, each and every my conference, my speeches, everybody gives intellectual knowledge, intellectual upgrades to our customer. This is the policy, and this way you'll be benefited, and that this is the IRR, and these are the features, and I understand. But it's not, he's not buying, the customer is not buying our product just because he's getting the tax-free returns and he's getting some safety of the fund. The intellectually is not buying life insurance. Every life insurance customer is buying or signing the contract and taking the liability of taking the premium and paying the premium, because he's not taking the decision from his brain. No, life insurance decision is always taken from here. Heart. He loves somebody. He loves his parents. He loves his wife. He loves his son. He loves his daughter. He loves his family. That's why he's entering in the contract. That's why his worry is that in case if he falls sick or if he die, some compensation has to be given. Today, the fear is there. And as an insurance professional, I have to help my customer. I will tell you one thing. Today, you can't think of making big money. Don't think of that line. How I'll complete my targets, my club membership, and my MDRT and my COT and TOT. Just leave it. Just leave it. Today, the time has come that you have to connect with your prospects, ex-customer, and with everybody with the heart. That's the reason. That's the need of the era. That's the need of the era, that you have to work absolutely without any expectations. Give all the solution. This is what I decided. Let me tell you, dear, I'm with you. I'm an insurance agent. I sell insurance myself. I work, I meet customer myself. You know? So I know what pain you take and what pain I take. What are the efforts we do, that I know. What kind of a stress we have, I know. What kind of a rejections from the customers, you and me, we are facing. What kind of objections customers are raising, we are solving those objections. They are answering those objections. Now there is one more added feature, is that support to your customer. Support, find out, identify the requirement of your customers. That's the basic need of the era. Our lacuna is that we are greedy. Yes. As a life insurance agent, let me put very bluntly, very frankly, we are greedy. But if there is no greed, you cannot make money. If there is no greed, you cannot you don't work hard also, because there is a greed. But now, today the time has come. For the next 2 months, maybe 6 months, maybe a year, maybe two years, money will automatically follow. Yes, dear, I'm again and again telling, this is insurance agent talking to the insurance professionals, financial professionals. You have to give solution. First solution is the health insurance. We have to give them health insurance properly. upgrade their policies, explain them. Today you are fit, but something more than the COVID may come tomorrow, maybe after 5 years. Today you are healthy. You are lucky that you are not suffered because of this virus as of today. But please, 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 something can come to you also. So you explain and he will get convinced. I have decided to focus on the health insurance. And of course, being a life insurance agent, my more focus is on the life insurance. I will give you the simple formula. I know what for your hearing. You don't want to understand all those philosophical things and you don't want any kind of a motivation. I understand. A lot of videos that are in the market only motivates. No, but what you expect from me is a solution to our profession. Okay, I would say the solution for the customer. Forget our profession. Solution for the person who is with you for many years, who will be with you many years, but still is not your customer. Still he is not even your prospect. These people has to be protected. Our best of the relatives, first circle, our close circle, our families. We have to talk to each and everybody and explain them that I was not pushy, I was never forcey to buy insurance from me. You may buy from somebody else, but today I need 5 minutes. I must talk to you this. Please, you take adequate insurance. Give me your insurance policy details, whatever insurance agent you have, whatever company you have, let me study that. Being a professional, let me make the analysis of that. Existing customers, we have to do that. You cannot start your business immediately. If you are in a mood of, like talking to customers and signing the forms and getting the payments and doing the medical, please don't do that. Don't dream for that. This is not the time for doing it. In fact, there is no opportunity for you then. Let me tell you, yes, some people still manage to get some business, is fine. I don't want to even repeat those problems which we are facing. Forget those problems. Those will be there always. Problems were there earlier also before this situation. Solution is, each and every clients take the printout of their existing life insurance. That is Ajay Arora's Datacom's, Bharat's comprehensive chart. Take the comprehensive chart. Look at the age of the customer. Look at their family ages. Make a study. You just have to work 8 to 10 hours as a homework. Homework. Very essential. See his when he bought the last insurance policy. See as of today, how much is, everything is ready with our software, Datacom software, everything. What is the premium he has as of today paid? What is the bonus which is accumulated? What are the loans he has taken, or if he has not taken, what is the available loan? Cash flow. How the money is going to flow. Make the analysis. Write those analysis with the points. Give him a solution that you need to insure. You have to upgrade your insurance. Doesn't matter if you give him term insurance. But as I've said first, this is not the time to force customer to take the more premium liability. With the minimum premium, that is our Jivan Amar, we have to help the customer. I'll go a little further. I'm very committed with Life Insurance Corporation of India, an LIC agent. But there are a lot of policy bazaar and all obstacles which we have in our business. Doesn't matter today. If somebody is giving the premium less, which Ajay said, no companies will now afford to give the premium at those difference, 50% less and all. No, because they'll be in huge losses. In America, Europe, insurance companies will be in a deep problem. They're already in the problem. But my company is very strong. So you give all the products available. You show them. My job is always, we don't sell. As a life insurance agent, I never sell. I just give consultation. I just help my customer to buy the insurance. Adequate insurance, the right product. One wrong decision of the agent, one wrong decision of the customer, will pay the premium, pay the price for 20 years. It has happened. Wrong mis-selling, what we call, which has happened in few products of even life insurance, LIC. So our responsibility has gone up like anything. And being an agent, let me tell you, I am very confident about the flow of the business. I'll make my homework, I'll email, I will request them that I have made some analysis for you. And when they physically see on your WhatsApp and your email that this gentleman has done something, mention the date of age of the son, mention the age of the daughter, mention his retirement age, his money making age, when he's going to 60, 61, then there is no money. You have to create the cash flow. Talk about the Jivan Amar, but as well as tell them, sir, there is a limitations in term insurance. You explain those limitations of term insurance, that maybe up to 75, maybe up to 80, you have a term insurance. I have a product like Jivan Amar, 100 years insurance. I have a product like Jivan Anand, 100 years insurance, more than 100 years insurance with the cash flow. No commitment after 15 years, 20 years. You finish up your premium liabilities. You have to design in 5 minutes, maybe the 10 minutes. Nobody is going to entertain you for 1 hour and 45 minutes and 30 minutes on the camera. Forget about the selling in front of, face to face. Everybody is going to maintain tremendous hygiene in their daily life. They won't allow you to enter in your residence. Customer is not going to entertain you in their offices. They're scared. It's not advisable for the customer. It's not advisable even for the agent. Yes. So we have to maintain the hygiene. We have to be there on the web camera. We have to adopt all those technological efforts. We have to put those efforts to upgrade ourselves technologically, where I'm going to get 5 to 10 minutes. If I'm ready with my data of each and every customer about his requirement, with the solution. Solution 1, please take new insurance policy. He will say, I don't have money. Rajesh, I'm finding it very difficult to even pay my old premiums. And you are asking me to increase my life insurance? Yes. The loan which is available from LIC, explaining that with premium existing, I'm talking of existing insurance policy, is also very essential part today in our life to maintain those policies in force for the customer's benefit. For the customer's benefit. Yes. In case if anything goes wrong with the life of the customer, it's our sin. It's a sin. God will not forgive us. Give them solution that I'll help you. This is what the loan is available. With interest, you can still survive for the next 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. That will give him solace. This is a gentleman. They just want some assurance. They will not take the loan. Most of them will cope up in 2 or 3 months. Maybe somebody may in the first month itself will cope up with the business. Yes, they are very good in their business. I have to be very good in my business. All those mutual funds, I've seen the data. Mutual funds are showing 20%, 30%, 40%. Yes, I'm sharing my mutual fund portfolio is showing 20% loss. So if somebody tells me it is already in the loss, to put more SIP, if I have money, yes. But to give new life insurance, my advice would be that 25% of his corpus, ask him to withdraw. I said 25%, not the whole corpus. SIP will continue. Advise this to your all mutual fund buyers, those who already have the mutual fund. So you have to create some fund to explain them and make the adequate insurance. So they have to add the liabilities with the existing. Also you are given the solution with the loan. Now, to create the new fund size, liability creation, to give some kind of a solace and solution, I have designed, please show me your mutual fund last statement. Divide it by 4 or 5, withdraw only 20-25%, and please buy the insurance. Yes, and people will get convinced because they know, you don't know. It is not that 2008 stock market, it has gone down and boom, 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 it went up. No. Explain them the scenario, the global scenario. Your mutual fund, the stock index will not run. Our government is putting tremendous efforts to maintain the stock market. This repo rate cut, you understand the interest market today, how the LIC is so attractive. You can't believe that I can see the business opportunities. My Jivan Umang giving 8% on the sum assured. This fantastic product. Today, the global economy rate of interest has gone down in India also. Bank FDs, if you compare, my products are so attractive. Let me tell you, LIC of India, trust LIC. I breathe LIC. I love LIC. That dia, those hands, I love. Such a wonderful company which I'm having. In today's stock market, when the market is going down, LIC has bought all those valuable company shares, and can you imagine what kind of a bonuses which will be giving after 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, when the market will boom and everything will be all right? Yes. Explain everything to your customer. I don't say you create the rosy picture in front of them, but tell them that by putting whatever savings you want to make, please put with the life insurance. I have to make those efforts. It's my duty for somebody's benefit. My benefit will automatically follow. Today the time has come. Today the time has come to change ourselves. Today the time has come to change our personality, our thought process, our mind and our heart. Like welfare. That's all. We have to make the welfare of the people. Your welfare is definitely, it is guaranteed. This is what I smell. I can understand. I don't talk to life insurance agent. In the 62 days, 65 days, I've always taken all the efforts to talk to all the customers, even the smallest customer, HNIs. My most of the time on the telephone is all the way talking to my customers and talking about what? Not talking any negativity. Telling about how the things will improve, how the market of life insurance is improving, how I'm getting the calls, how everybody wants that I should be giving best of the solutions. I'm there. And you won't believe, many of the customers, small and big, they said, whenever this lockdown and these restrictions will open, Rajesh, please come on the camera. Let's meet up, whatever the way, and we will do something. You can't believe, I've already booked some business. You also can book some business, but strategically. Make the chart of comprehensive chart, make your analysis on that, your suggestions, point-wise, convince them in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, whatever he offers. You will have wonderful business. I have to make my business. I have to upgrade myself. Our Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Modi ji said, India is going to having the great future. The entire world is saying, India will shine. Who is India? I asked this question to Rajesh Satoskar myself. I am the India. I'm an Indian. There is no one gentleman who is India. This 130 crore people. If each and everybody will put some efforts in their own profession, their own responsibilities, like in Second World War, Germany was destroyed twice. First World War also they destroyed, again in Second World War. Before they get destroyed, they already destroyed the London, Britain, France, and many countries, Poland. And the biggest country who has suffered is Japan. What exactly happened in last 75 years? They have taken as a mission for their country, each and every individual. And today, within 15-20 years, they started ruling the world. We have not much affected. Yes, economy is affected, but still we have a young generation population, maximum. Can you believe the opportunity with insurance agent we have? Fantastic new generation. Today, you guys imagine the benefit of person who is below 35, whatever income, whatever status he has, our bottleneck of our medical requirements up to 35, definitely you can do only pathology, only and only medical. Without stress requirement, you can do the business. Above 35, old generation, you have to take them to the TPA centers. which is little difficult and dicey, what I would say. The customer may refuse, but wonderful. You target people who are below 35. Make a list from the data from your statistics. Explain them that with the pathology and ECG at home with a hygienic visit, take the permission from LIC, complete the business. Very soon LIC will start e-form. Very soon you will be submitting all the papers on with the e-machines. The software will give, LIC will provide you everything, Datacom will give you something. And we will get decision from the divisions, from the branches, from the zonal office and central office on your portal. Yes, this is possible. Our company, they take little time, but they work with concrete solutions. I trust my company. My job is to give best of the suggestions. I'm still writing emails to my LIC officials, what improvements they have to make. Maturity claims, settlement, direct banking contract, everything. Everything will happen. It won't happen overnight. We have to give them opportunity. We have to first upgrade ourselves digitally. The understanding, and everybody has to. Now, can you imagine somebody in the world doesn't know how to operate WhatsApp? It is impossible. But yes, few years back, it was like that. Everybody is now understanding what is the importance of the Zoom meeting. Maybe 3 months back, people were not aware of what is Zoom. You have to upgrade. Today, the day has come that I have to perform myself. You want solutions. Keep yourself calm. Keep yourself very confident. Many advisors are giving advices that read a book, which we are not reading. Fantastic books and go through this and that. There are n number of motivational videos available on the YouTube. Today, you have to select one point from each and every trainer and speakers and apply in your own profession. Only life insurance profession will go up. Financial advisors basically needs a quality which is the honesty, pure loyalty to their customers, and that we have to give. I really learn. I'm reading those kinds of all the videos and documentaries. How Japan came up. There are n number of documentaries on Netflix. What exactly happened and how they changed the technology. I was reading somewhere that after the World War, China was not having a car even. Their embassy got some gift from Americans they should have some cars in their embassy for their presidents and their political leaders. And today the China is selling cars, cheaper cars. They are making cars of entire world. See, we are not supposed to worry about what will happen globally. You and me as an agent, we have to just worry about our customer. That's the only message I want to give. I don't want unnecessary give you big talks. Focus on the business. We have nothing to do. You can't go to the mall. You can't go to theaters. You can't have parties. You can't participate in marriage function. At least for the next 3 months maybe. All the concepts are changing. Now nobody can think of spending money for people with 1,000 reception and the cocktails and all. Yes, the businesses will definitely, you have to identify which business is there which will flourish in coming 1 year. Which segment. You have to focus on the people where the people will get settled down with their earnings and savings and income quickly. Which wealthy people will diversify. Segment marketing has to be there. Selling insurance product to each and every category of the people, lower income group, poor, HNI. I was only focused for the last few years on HNI. Now I have to change my gear. I have to change the entire stance. Let me tell you, I have already prepared myself in this 65 days. I'm only doing this. Today, think. Find out the lacunas. Learn from our own errors. Our problem is that we are interested more in somebody else's errors. course, I'm talking about me, not you people. No, I like to study somebody else error, how somebody is making mistakes. That's a human behavior. But today, I have to do my self-introspection. I have to learn that what mistakes that I would have been more successful. People, I'm so-called successful. Yet the journey is now started. Journey has begun. Now I will be there with my business. I'm giving you promise. I was about, like on the mode of satisfaction that I've done so much of business. I have so much of renewable commission. I have so much of portfolio. I've done with my all investments. I've done with my all commitments to my family. I've done with all those investments and, houses, in everything. I don't have to work. I don't require so much money. Now the money concept is deleted. You won't believe. I thanks to this situation. I thank to that situation. It has come. The situation has changed me. I'm very eager to work. I'm very eager to start the work. Now it's mission for me. I've given enough for my family. I've given even enough for my own welfare. Let me work for somebody else's welfare. And I know that will definitely give me everything in my life. Satisfaction, money, strength, support. I will be definitely away from the problems in my family life, my personal life, which right now I'm facing. I will be more focused. I'll be engaged myself in my work. So all those problems will automatically wipe out. I'll be busy in my profession. I should enjoy that profession. And I'm going to enjoy that profession. I'm going to make the welfare of the people. I'll be making the big money and I'll be making the good kind of a charity. I've seen people suffer. I'll be making people aware that how the saving is important. How the savings have helped me. All those 20 years of saving, those commitments which I've taken. Today, I'm very comfortable in this lockdown situation at home. Enjoying everything because I'm not worried because of my savings. People who spend money, I have already identified where are my unnecessary, foolish expenses. Yes. Waste. What is the waste I understood? I have to explain my customers. Even customers have understood. What is the exact money requirement for me? All those.
Sorry to interrupt, sir. Last 5 minutes, please.
Yeah. In fact, I would like to just conclude. And if anybody wants to ask questions, I would like to, because see, if I keep talking about my profession, it may go up to 3 hours, 4 hours.